amazing YouTube friends. Welcome back to another edition or episode of Holi-Details with B. I am so excited to have you here in the sickest garage on the platform. We're going to detail a 2022 pearlescent white Ford Escape. It is beautiful. I'm so excited, and I'm going to make two little episodes out of this. I'm going to do the first episode, which is this right here. We're going to do a quick exterior detail, and then we'll work on the inside. This is just going to be a quick detail, but it's going to be so sick, so let's just work through it. I'm not going to talk a lot, just going to get it done. Let's go to work. Pre-wash it. Pre-wash helps to avoid scratches. Do you like how I spilled the shampoo there? I am awesome. Let's wash. Why vehicles are cool to decontaminate? Let's chemically, then physically. One more time with the foam cannon. Gonna decontaminate, then we'll paint protect. Paint protection as a drying aid. That's it. Thanks for watching. Oh, side note. Today I got a comment from one of my dear friends about t-shirts. I'm gonna try and make some. December ended up as a complete mess because, well, you know, I decided to post videos every day, but I'm gonna make them. That's my goal for January. I talked to my beautiful wife about it today, so those are on the way. Let me just work out a few minor details and updates next month, January. That's my goal.